number 29, and I teach the subject English. And today all of we are going to solve the problem or solve the questions from the story The Wild Boar and the Fox. Okay guys? On the last period, all of you learned the story The Wild Boar and the Fox. And I thought that all of you will and all of you are understand the story. So today I am going to teach you how to solve the questions on the page number 8. On the page number there are 5 questions, and today we are going to solve all the 5 questions. At first I read all the 5 questions one by one. Student, listen carefully. Okay? The first question is, listen to the story carefully. As you listen, pick only those words that appear in the story. The second question is, find and label the following in the picture on page number 7. The third question is, listen carefully and answer the questions orally using only one word or a phrase. The fourth question is, match the words or phrases in A and B with reference to the story. And the last question is, the following speeches show up the nature of the speaker. So, get the speaker, the wild boar or the fox. Okay guys,
now listen to the story carefully. As you listen, tick only those words that appear in the story. First of all, I read this story loudly. You listen carefully and find the words in the story. One day, a wild boar was sharpening his tusks against the bark of a tree. He was doing it very carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. He was always looking for a chance to make fun of other animals in the forest. When he saw the wild boar, he decided to tease him. You will find these words: wild, boar, fox, bark, fun, saw, and tease. In this way, you read the story at home and find the remaining words. Now, the second question is, find and label the following in the picture on page number 7. First one is a wild boar, second, tusks, and third one is a tree trunk. See, I will show you tusks. Okay students, you will find the remaining 2 words, a wild boar and second one is a tree trunk. Okay? Let's see the third question. And it is, listen carefully and answer the questions orally using only one word or phrase. One day, a wild boar was sharpening his tusks against the bark of a tree. What was the boar doing? And the answer is sharpening his tusks. He was doing it carefully. How was he doing it? And the answer is carefully. There lived a fox in the same forest. Who lived in the same forest? And the answer is a fox. When the fox saw wild boar, he decided to tease him. Who saw the wild boar? And the answer is a fox. What did he decided to do? And the answer is decided to tease him. But the boa did not pay any attention to him. Did the boa pay any attention to him? And the answer is no, he did not. And the fourth question is match the words or phrases in A and B with reference to the story. Now look at me carefully. I am matching the words or phrases in A and B with the reference of the story. Look for a chance. Make fun of other animals. Sharpen tusks. Pay attention to the fox. Now, this is the last question. The following speeches show up the nature of the speaker. Guess, who is the speaker, the wild boar or the fox? Now, listen and guess. I have invited some friends for a party this evening. I must tidy up the house before 4 p.m. And the answer is the boa. I have to catch a 7 a.m. train tomorrow. I need to pack my bag tonight. And the answer is the boa. These ants are so stupid. All the time they are busy collecting food. And the speaker is the fox. Sister, thank you for laddus. Now give me hammer. So that I can break them. Now guess the answer? Yeah, right. The answer is the fox. Now, today's homework. Solve all 1 to 5 questions neatly in your notebook. Have a good day.